Maximize your reach. AI-powered social media strategies for small businesses. In today's digital landscape, small businesses can harness the power of AI to enhance their social media strategy. Let's explore 3 AI-powered strategies that can help maximize your reach. Content recommendation systems. AI can analyze your audience's preferences and behaviors to suggest the best types of content. By utilizing these insights, you can create posts that resonate with your audience. For example, if your analytics show that your followers engage more with video content, consider producing tutorials or behind-the-scenes videos. Automated scheduling and optimization. Take advantage of AI tools for scheduling posts at optimal times when your audience is most active. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can analyze engagement patterns and suggest the perfect times to post, ensuring your content reaches the maximum number of viewers. Targeted advertising. AI algorithms can help you create highly targeted ad campaigns. By segmenting your audience based on demographics, interests, and online behavior, you can deliver tailored ads that speak directly to potential customers. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads utilize AI to analyze performance and optimize your campaigns in real time. Integrating these AI-powered strategies into your social media marketing can enhance engagement and increase your reach significantly. Remember, the key is to continually analyze the results and adjust your approach based on your audience's response. Now is the time to leverage AI for your small business and stand out in the crowded social media space. Want to learn more? Schedule a free consultation to discover the power of integrating AI into your business. Our team is here to help. Visit EvolveLocalX.com and get started today.